welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup look using this Wet n Wild palette called Rose in the Air. This is the first time that I'm using this palette, so if you would like to see how I created this look and also my thoughts on the palette, then you know what to do. Just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows on, and I do have an eyebrow tutorial, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. I've also primed my lids with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, so we're just going to jump into the shadow. So first of all, if I can get this thing open, it took me like 20 minutes to get this plastic part off. Like, damn, Wet n Wild. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and do a transition shade, and I think I'm going to take the ashier transition, so this one here, and pop that into the crease just to see how it looks. And I really have no idea what I'm going to do, but I always start off with a transition shade and then I'll figure out from there. So it's applying really nicely. Okay, so now that I have that transition shade placed, I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and I'm going to go into that dark color, so this one here, and just pop that on my outer V. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay, and then with a pencil brush, I'm just going to pick up that same dark brown color and just really pack it on the outer V. I just wasn't able to get, I guess, the application that I wanted to with that fluffy brush. So I'm just going to go in with a pencil brush. I'm just going to take a flat packing brush, and I'm going to take this like maroon burgundy color here and pop that next to the dark shadow that we put on the outer V. And this shadow, it is pigmented, but not as pigmented as that dark brown that we applied. Okay, so for like the inner corner of the lid, I think I'm going to do like a mini half cut crease, just so I can get some bright colors there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some concealer, so I did like a little baby cut crease. So the next color I'm going to take is going to be like this little shimmery champagne-y color right here. And what I want to do, just to make it more intense, is I'm going to pick it up on a flat shader brush. And then, I mean, it's pretty pigmented. I'm just going to spray it with a little facial spray, because I want it to be super intense on the inner corner. And then I'm just going to pop that on that concealer that we just placed. Okay, and then what I'm going to do next is take this like shimmery mauve-y color right here. I'm just going to take the same brush I used to apply the champagne color. Just going to flip it over and do the same thing. So I'm just going to apply that right on the center of the lid where the gold shadow and that maroon shadow connect, just to make a even transition. So I'm going to pick some up and then spray a little bit and just pop that right on the center. And then going back in with that maroony shade, I'm just going to reapply it to this section here. And then with that dark brown color, I'm going to take that same pencil brush and just intensify the outer corner. Go in with that gold color. And then for the brow bone highlight, I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to use, let's see, this shade right here. So it's like a cream color, and this one is very pigmented. Okay, so I think this look calls for a winged eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pop on some lashes. I am going to do my face makeup, so my foundation and concealer off camera just to save time. And then I'll come back and do the rest of my makeup and then we will be done. Okay, so I went ahead and did my winged eyeliner. I applied some lashes, and I think these are Ardell lashes. And then I also applied MAC's Costa Riche to the waterline, and I also tightlined. I'll leave all the products I use down in the description box below. But next I'm going to go in with a flat definer brush. I'm taking that transition shade that we used, that one there, and I'm just going to run this along my lower lash line. And then going in with that pencil brush, I'm not going to pick up any product. I'm just going to use whatever's left over and then run this along the entire lower lash line. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm just going to use that cream color that we placed on the brow bone. I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner with my angled brush. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm just going to apply some mascara, but I will zoom you guys out so we can move on to the rest of the face. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied some lower lash mascara, and I used the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I fixed my hair, or I attempted to fix it. So let's go ahead and move on to bronzer, and I'm using my Pixie Summertime Bronzer. As you can see, there's barely anything left. So I'm going to kind of dig my brush around in there just to pick up some product. And I'm using my e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm going to bronze up the skin. I'm not going to contour, I'm just going to bronze the face. Okay, and then for blush, I wanted to do something kind of mauve-y. So I'm taking this one that I got in one of my Ipsy bags. I've used this in a video before. So it's called Cabana Boy. And it's just this little nugget of a blush. And I'm going to take an angled brush to apply that. So I'm just going to tap that on the skin, then blend it out. Okay, and then before I apply my highlight, I am going to spray my face, and that way the highlight just shows up a bit more intense. And for today's highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglow in Crown of my Canopy and my Lexi brush. And just make sure everything is nicely blended. Okay, and then for lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX Lip Liner in the color Natural. And for my lip color, I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. Okay guys, so that completes today's look using this little Wet n Wild palette, Rosé in the Air. This was my first time using it and I really do love it. I love the way that my makeup came out today. It's great quality and it is a bomb price. So remember to give this video a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Leave me a comment down below and I will see you guys next time. Bye!